How can I include a conditional order underscore by in Django? I need to sort two parts of a query set differently based on a Boolean field. Rows that have bool underscore val equals true should come first, and be sorted by date underscore a, ascending. Rows that have bool underscore val equals false should come second, and be sorted by date underscore b, descending. The closest I've gotten is but that sorts them all in the same order. If the value I needed to sort by were numerical, then I would multiply one set by -1 in my annotation, but they're date values, so that won't work. I've also looked into creating two separate query sets and combining them, but Union isn't available until 1.11 and I have to support 1.10, and other methods of combining query sets that I found either don't preserve order or don't result in a query set, or both. I'm not clear on whether Union preserves order or not, but it's moot, so I didn't dig into it much, either. This has to be a Django query set object at the end.
This is what ended up working.
You should be able to use a func expression to convert your datetimes into timestamps so that you can negate them. For MySQL, this is the Unix_timestamp function. For PostgreSQL, this is extract epoch from timestamp with time zone, date time. A little cumbersome and potentially slow. I have not tested this.
This is another approach for the same problem. I think that would work better in null cases if true or false is not available, but the previous could be helpful in some use cases.
If you want to sell it, pass it consider